welcome to day 2 of Write and Grow, and we have a lot of activities in line for you. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy together. Is that okay? Alright, very good. Okay, so now share with you.
Being thankful is important. We can be thankful for our parents, our family, and our home. Being thankful is also called gratitude.
When do you feel good? What makes you feel good? Okay. Alright. To look for the item or the word that rhymes with bar. What rhymes with bar? What sounds like that? The sound S-H. There. Things that have to do with words. So we have another game. Who knows Hangman? Raise your hand. Who knows? We're going to talk about generosity, okay? Who knows what generosity means? Okay, so generosity means happily and willingly giving to others. So, who among you considers yourself a generous person? Raise your hand. Are you a generous person? Raise your hand. If you're a generous person, Adia is generous, and Alab is generous. Who else is generous? Rio, Sky, Niel are generous. So, generous means that you are willingly giving and sharing with other people, okay? Like, for example, you're in your school, and then your classmates forgot some of their materials, and so you're going to share your material, and that is being generous. Or sometimes, maybe your classmate was not able to bring his or her snacks, and if you share with your classmates, then that also makes you a generous person, okay? And it's very good to be grateful, to be thankful, and also to be generous, okay? So now, I'm going to read here in the story that this queen is very, very generous. Okay, I think some of you may have read this already. So, did you like that story? Yeah? Okay, so, Jose Gabriel. Okay, what are some of the things that was given to the boy by the
Apples?
Yeah, Jose Gabriel. The trunk, yes, the trunk was given. Who else? Who else remembers? Okay, so here are the different parts of a story. Okay, so first we have the characters. These are the people, animals, or creatures in the story. And then we also have the setting. This is where and when the story takes place, okay? Did it take place? Did the story happen in a park?
No.
Did the story happen in the school?
Mm-hmm.
How about in the forest? Yes? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you agree. Did it happen in the forest? Thank you, smile, Daniela and Cholo. Okay, now another part is the problem. Every story has a problem, so that it will be more interesting, right? So, the problem is a challenge or conflict that the main character faces. What is the problem in this story? Maybe you're thinking of that right now. And then, of course, the solution is also part of the story, okay? So, here in the story, the solution usually comes at the end part. So, how was the problem solved, alright?
I don't know the problem and setting, but can you tell me the problem and setting?
No, you have to answer it by yourself first, and then later we'll talk about it, okay? Just try to think. Where did the setting means where the story happened. Okay, where did the story happen? Did it happen in the mall?
The mall.
Did it happen in a park? Did it happen in a forest?
Yes.
Yes. So write it down in the settings. Forest and daytime. Okay, that's what happened. Okay, so everybody's still working. Now we go to our gift giving activity. But first, wait. Okay, so I want you to get your favorite snack. Your favorite snack or drink. Do you have your favorite snack or drink with you? Bella has hers. Who wants to eat it now? Raise your hand if you want to eat it now. But here's the thing. You are not going to eat it. You know why? Our lesson for today is about giving. So, what will you do with your snacks or drinks? You will give it to somebody in your house, okay? You will share it with someone in the house, and you will give a thank you note to that person, something like this. Okay, so later after this session, you can hand it over. I hope that you really give it, okay? And you can also give a thank you card like this one, so that the person will know that you really appreciate him or her. Maybe you can share it with your mom or your dad, maybe with your pet dog, or share with them, okay? I hope you're not eating it now. Okay, so now everybody, we're going, and tomorrow, because you learned today the different parts of the story, tomorrow you will have a chance to write your own story, okay? Thank you everybody. That was a really nice video. I hope you also liked it, because it really goes to show us that, you know, kids are able to help others and are able to give, even if it's something that, you know, even if you have to sacrifice what you really love, just like with your snack.